Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can be able to download Windows 11 for free. Just follow the steps I do and you will be able to download it for free. First thing is, we are going to go to the website called getintopc.com. getintopc.com. You simply press enter. Then if you want to have this link, I will put it in the description below. You can use it from there. Then you simply come to the search bar and say Windows 11. Then simply search, simply say go. Then you will have it over here. It is the first one. I don't know why did they say 2019, but I think it is the first version that is released, but it says it was out there before 2 weeks ago. Therefore, simply before you going to download, you have to check the minimum technical requirements. Software name is Windows 11 with Office 2019 Pro Plus. Its size is 7.6 GB, offline install, and 64-bit architecture. This is only for 60-bit PCs. The CPU must be 64-bit architecture. The system requirement for this is it needs 2 GB RAM. It requires 2 GB RAM, 8 GB of hard disk, and a 2.5 and above gigahertz of the processor. Then we simply check in this description there is lot of information that you can read it. Simply I'm going to download. Just press download, then wait for it until this page comes. It is now loading from the server. I think they have yeah, I know that I have ad blocker, therefore they doesn't display the ads, but it will proceed. I hope so. Yeah. Then simply press start. Then it can download. It is going to download the Windows 11. If you wanted to know how to install Windows 11 into your PC, I am preparing a video for that one. It will be up soon, therefore stay tuned with us. Don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see how to install the Windows 11 to your PC or to your laptop or your computer. Stay tuned. Bye.